Hello friends, welcome to AARUS. At AARUS, together we will make our day-to-day recipes more interesting, yummy, yet healthy with some desi and videsi twists. Today we will make a very simple, easy and tasty paneer recipe, that is Paneer Bhurji. This is perhaps one of the most simplest and easiest recipe possible with paneer. To make this, we will need around 200 gram of paneer scrambled. I'm using the homemade paneer, which is best for this recipe. Around 3 to 4 green chilies slit into pieces, around a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, around 2 onions cut into small pieces, and 4 to 5 tomatoes pureed. For tempering, we will need around 2 tablespoons of oil, around a tablespoon of cumin seed, around a tablespoon of turmeric powder, around a tablespoon of coriander powder, garam masala and red chili powder as per your taste. We are already using green chili, so you can avoid red chili powder. To make this, put your pan on low medium flame, add some oil, and now we will add our cumin seeds to this. Let the cumin seeds cook till they turn aromatic or brown in color. Now it's good time to add our onions to this, green chilies and ginger garlic paste. Stir well and cook till our onions turn slightly golden brown. Our onions are brown in color now, so stir it and add our green peas to this to add more goodness to this recipe. Green peas are also very good source of protein. Cook it for around a minute. Now add our tomato puree to this and seasoning, around a tablespoon of turmeric powder, around a tablespoon of coriander powder, and salt to taste. You can add your garam masala at this stage also, but I will be adding it in the end for good aroma, so that is totally optional. Stir it well. Mix it once it starts boiling. Now we will cover it and cook it for around a minute till it becomes a little dry and leaves oil around the edges. Now add our paneer to this. Mix it well. Paneer is a very good source of protein. Specifically, it's a kind of God's gift for vegetarians. Other than iron, it contains almost all the minerals like calcium, magnesium. So it's a must-to-have kind of dish for vegetarians. Add some more salt if it's required. Mix it well. Cover it and cook it for around 3 minutes. Don't cook the paneer for a longer time as it turns hard and chewy if it's overcooked. Our bhurji is done now. Add some garam masala and garnish it with coriander. You can have this dish with roti or chapati. Also, you can make your grilled sandwich with this by adding some sliced tomato and onions. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to see our upcoming videos. Also, please like and share our video with your friends and family. Stay tuned. Bye bye till we meet again.